On this video, I'm going to show you how I turn $100 into $1,000 with per trade. With one trade, I turn $100 into $1,000 in the crypto market. And in this video, I'm going to show you step-by-step guideline, and you will not miss this opportunity to know my setup on Dogecoin, trading only crypto assets in the market. So once again, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Chidex and this is Crypto Compass. Without wasting time, let's get right into the video. On this video, you are going to know my setup, how I set up my trade, and also how you can do that using this simple strategy in the market, that you can be able to maximize your profit in the market. In the crypto space, we have been neglecting crypto, that there is no money in crypto, but I'm going to prove to you that with this my strategy, you can navigate the crypto space. So without wasting much of time, what are you going to learn in this? So as a trader, you can't miss this opportunity. You can't miss it. You can know this setup, but based on I'm not yet retested this setup, you will not know that it's profitable to the market. So in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how I did it, my entry and my exit point. And this is the main reason why you will not leave this video, because you are going to watch the video from beginning to the end. So don't miss this video from beginning to the end. To know my setup, don't skip any of this video. And welcome to once again my YouTube channel. This is Chidex, and this is Crypto Compass. Without wasting time, let's get right in the video. So in this video, you are going to learn how I use $100 and push it up to the 1,000 USDT is now. And number two, what are you going to know? You are going to know my strategy, my entry, all my strategy I use in trading this asset in the crypto market. I don't trade forex, I trade crypto. So you are going to know how I was able to maximize my profit in this video. I'm very happy, guys. I'm very happy, because the setup is just simple, and we think that there's a lot of big deal in using SMC strategy. It's not a very big deal, bro. So you are going to learn my strategy in this video, my setup, and every other thing you need to know as a Kryptonian. So what are you going to learn? My trade, my strategy, my exit, and my entry point in the market. So let's get right into the video. So I traded Dogecoin. This is the coin that yield massive profits in the market for me. So I'm going to show you the simple strategy I use in maximizing my profit in the market. So in this video, you are going to gain a lot. It's simple strategy. It's simple. Is something that you can even cross your leg and begin to analyze the market. After I analyze this market, you just go back to your chart. Both if you are trading crypto, if you are trading index, commodities, Tesla, all assets, even the forex market, you can use this strategy to gain weight in the space, bro. So let's get right into the chart. So you can see that this is the profit that he yielded, and if you look at this is a massive move in the market. So I'm going to show you on this video how I was able to see this setup, catch this setup, and the profit I made in this market. So look at this Dogecoin here, and let me push back and show you the setup I use in trading this asset, bro. So what did I see in this market? Number one, I saw in this market, this is the SMC strategy, the simple SMC strategy I use in trading this asset, and it have yielded massive profit in the market for me. I have been using this strategy for I tested this strategy for weeks now, and I have tested it, and I know that the strategy is 100% profitable in the market if you know what if you know what you are doing in the market, the strategy is profitable. You can gain a lot with it. So what setup, what did I see in the market before I enter this trade here? So number one, I saw in this market I saw the order block. I saw the order block, I saw the liquidity, and I saw the fair value gap. Then I saw no, I have to enter this market. I have to enter this market. So this is the three confirmation I saw in this market before I entered it. What did I see? I see the order block, I see the FVG, that's the imbalance in the market, and I see the liquidity sweep. I know that this market cannot sweep another liquidity again. So I have to enter a violent a violent entry, bro. So let me get right into the video. So looking at this Dogecoin here, let me zoom it a bit so that you will see it very clear. So looking at these points, okay. First of all, I went to my 1 hour time, weekly time frame, and find out that the market was a little bit bullish. So I know I was looking at the bullish setup in the market, and I know that this one is going bullish. It's going to go bullish. So I was scrolling down. I went to my 1 hour time frame. I went to my 30 minutes, and in my 15 minutes, I saw a confirmation of the uptrend. So look at the setup. Very careful. Look at the setup. Don't skip the video. Look at the setup right now. So I was in this point. I saw the market was going uptrend and breaking structure to the upside. It broke structure here. It was going. It was going. It broke another structure at this point. It was going and break another structure at this point. It was going and break another structure at this point, and it was going also and break structure here. And at this point, the market changed character and broke another structure to the upside. So I was seeing a lot of displacement and a lot of inducement in the market. And look at where my setup comes in. Look at where my setup comes in. So in this video, I saw the FVG here. I saw the imbalance at this point. I saw the imbalance at this point. I saw the imbalance at this point. And then I saw a liquidity sweep. I know that this ranging market is resulting to either the bullish or the bearish movement in the market. So I saw this bias of the market, and I was thinking this is where the market was reacting to. If you look at this ranging liquidity here, the market was ranging around this place, and a lot of traders. And if you look at this point, this is my setup, how I saw this setup. So if you look at this point, you notice that market came down. It came down here and sweep liquidity and liquidize any orders that is rested upon this ranging market, and continue the ranging to the upside. So I saw this setup. I saw my FVG here. I saw my FVG at this point. I saw the FVG here. So I saw my FVG at this point. I saw my FVG at this point. And I saw it, my imbalance. Let me put it so that you know what I mean. I saw my imbalance here. Imbalance. Okay, let me just write it in short form. So I saw my imbalance at this point. And a lot of SMC traders, they will wait for price to come down. They will wait for price to come down at this point. Okay, excuse me. So what I mean is a lot of, just listen very carefully, guys. A lot of SMC traders, we wait for price to come down at this point and closing below this fair value gap and before taking a trade. But I didn't see that. What I saw in this market is, I saw that the market was reacting to this point. I saw that the market was reacting to this ranging liquidity at this point. And a lot of consolidating happened inside this place. a lot of liquidity, a lot of ranging market happen around this place. And I saw a liquidity sweep at this point. This is sweep of liquidity down and sweep a lot of traders there. And I confirm that in my strategy, once I see liquidity, I will enter the market. Once I see liquidity, I will enter the market. So I saw this, and I know that the market will be bullish. So once I saw this setup, and I said, if I enter this market and the market retraces back, no, I say no. This is, I just enter it. That's why I call it a violent trade. I just enter the market. I just enter the market with a violent. So I saw this setup now, the FVG and the other block. And I traced the other block that caused this break of structure to the upside. And I saw this other block here. I saw this other block. This bullish, let me zoom it more. This I saw this other block, this bullish other block, this green candle at the middle that caused this recent break of structure, and this is my confirmation. So guys, in this video, I want you to understand that any strategy you are using, make sure you stick at that strategy. Don't, even if you are losing in the market, don't take it that the strategy is no more working. It's working. If you didn't see your setup, don't trade that day. That's what happened to me. If I didn't see this setup, I will not trade, because a lot of traders will wait for this price to come down below this fair value gap here. A lot of traders will come to this markets now and saw this. They will wait for this confirmation, come here below this fair value gap and enter the trade. But if you see this setup, 1 2 3, this 1 2 3 liquidity, enter the market, enter the market, enter the market, because this is a nice setup. So in this video, you are going to learn all those things. Is what you are going to learn how to enter the market with a liquidity sweep. If you see a sweep of liquidity, just enter the market, bro. Enter the market. So if you can see the result of, once I enter, it didn't even touch my SL, because I entered at this point. And no liquid. There's no SL. It didn't touch my SL at all. And you will see the massive move in the market. You see where this market went into, giving me um a lot of profit in the market. Look at the movement. Look at the movement. Look at the movement. Look at the movement, bro. Look at the movement. So guys, use this strategy and thank me later. So just look at the market. Just because of that liquidity sweep in the market, then I enter a violent trade. So guys, if you need any other topic that you want me to treat on, be it market structure, other blocks and breaker block, any video you want me to shoot on, just comment it on the comment section and then I will reply immediately. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. This is Crypto Compass, and here we tell you the real truth. We don't hide anything. We tell you the news about the crypto space, how to trade, and a lot of things. How to trade spot. In my next video, I'm going to create a very massive and qualified video in the market. So in my next video, you are going to see a lot. So any video you want me to treat on, and be it in trading, in anything called crypto, I will give you the news. Thank you, and shalom. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel.